cooking channel. I'm going to add 14.75 ounces of pink salmon to the dish here. Go ahead and break it up and remove some of the bones in the center. Place those back in the can. Okay, I'm gonna add my seasoning to the salmon. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of rosemary, a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and half teaspoon of lemon pepper. Go ahead and mix that together. I'm going to get all the seasoning in the mixture here. I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 egg. Mix that together. The pink salmon, there's no carbs in the salmon. That is 17 grams of protein for a 3-ounce salmon croquette. I have 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm gonna add grams of carb. So that's not gonna be much when it's divided up. So let me go ahead and add the cheese. I added 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna mix this up. It only has 2 grams of carbs, which is nothing when these are divided up. So let me get my oil started on the stove. I have a half a cup of oil in a skillet, so I'm gonna fry these salmon croquettes. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hand to mix up the ingredients. I probably should have got a larger bowl, but I didn't. So this will have to do. Okay, it's time for me to make the croquettes. pan. Okay, there we go. I'm just waiting for the sides of them to brown out. That way I know to turn them over. I'm going to go ahead and taste my new recipe I developed and see how I like them. They are so good. I don't even miss the flour. Some people use crackers. I don't even miss that, but I do love salmon croquette. They are crispy on the outside and nice and creamy and moist on the inside. You have to try this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.